Abang Din, sorry for being rude and naughty the day you left. Please forgive your little brother. Zul misses you, Abang. Abang, my letter was sent back to the orphanage. I don't know why. Are you angry with Zul? Abang, write back to me, please. Abang, Mr. Postman said your family moved house, so you never saw my letters. But I want to keep writing to you because it feels like talking to you. Abang, Cikgu just told me I'm going to be adopted. I don't want to go. I want to wait for you. Abang, my new family is good to me. They give me new clothes and new toys. How are you? Do you like your new family? Abang, I heard there was a big fire. And now there's no more orphanage. My dream was to meet you again there. But now, I don't know how.
Abang, I haven't been writing letters lately. I've just started working. And I'm still learning the ropes. Abang, you're an uncle now. Of a baby girl. We've named her Zara. She has your eyes. I wish you could see her. Abang, it's been the darkest period in my life. I was caught in an accident. And when I woke up, I couldn't see. It was hard for me to accept. But thankfully, I have my daughter to be my eyes and hands. From now on, she's helping me to write these letters.
Ayah? 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 You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Keep reading.
Ayah, this is the last letter.
Abang, every time it rains, I'm reminded of you. Do you still remember our song, Abang?
Ayah, you're here. Hi, Zara. Here's my dad.
Uncle Din, I'm your niece, Zara. Shall we go and see my dad? Thankfully, I saw your post online with a photo of the old wooden shed. My dad used to tell me stories about his childhood times, and I knew immediately it's the shed he always talked about. He's a bit weak now, but he can still hear us.
Zul, Abang here. Zul, Abang missed you all these years. I can't believe I'm seeing you again in this lifetime. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Zul. Abang wasn't there for you. Will you forgive Abang? Zul, forgive Abang, Zul.
Uncle Din, have a seat.
Zul, I remember our song. Rupanya gerimis. Rupanya gerimis mengundang.